Welcome to new episode of Aviation Explained. This aircraft is experiencing St. Elmo's fire. It appears as a glowing blue or violet lightning bolt on an aircraft windshield during thunderstorms. It's caused by electrical discharge when the air becomes highly charged, creating a striking, eerie glow. This phenomenon signals strong atmospheric electricity but is harmless to the aircraft. This Airbus A340 crosswind landing in the southernmost commercial airport in the world, Ushuaia, Argentina. The pilot is pointing the nose of the aircraft into the wind to counter the crosswind component and to stay on the runway centerline. At touchdown, he decrabs and aligns the aircraft with the runway for a perfect landing. This Eurofighter pilot is performing a demo flight at an air show in Italy when he misjudges the height of entry into the vertical dive. He struggles to pull the airplane up, but in the end he crashes into the sea. This Boeing 777, he's approaching the runway, he gets into a ground effect and floats along the runway, losing airspeed and increasing the angle of attack. Just before he stalls, the pilot pushes the aircraft down to avoid tail strike and makes a hard landing. Immediately after touchdown, he deploys maximum reverses to slow down on a sleeper runway. This MD-11 is landing in a slight crosswind. After landing, one of his tires bursts due to unknown reason. The cost for one tire on a commercial plane can range from $5,000 to $10,000. This Airbus A350 is landing in a heavy downpour and poor visibility. Despite everything, pilot makes a safe, successful landing. These Boeing 727 is taking off and immediately retracting the landing gear to reduce drag while performing low pass over the length of the runway. Then he pulls up and departs in fighter jet fashion. This Boeing business jet is landing in heavy downpour with assist of head-up display.
500.
Even though he passed the minimums and decides to continue the approach, he encounters quickly deteriorating visibility and decides to go around.
Minimums.
How's your brake?
This DC-4 performing takeoff and low pass over spectators, giving them once-in-a-lifetime view on this magnificent flying machine. Then the pilot decides to come back around and show off his skill with low altitude turn and high speed pass. The two Airbus's A340 performing a low formation flight over the airport. This takes skills and concentration as there is no margin for error. Here, the engineers are performing test of evacuation slides on Boeing 747. After the test slides have to be packed and reinstalled to the aircraft,